7, Honolulu.
Old Blackbird on his sand pile. Check out there while you ease down the road there. Take care, my friend. Tow them on safely on your way in. Number 7, Honolulu, back reading the mail. Aloha.
Number 7, 808 in the Rockies. Number 7, Honolulu, 808, standing by.
Hello, Brother Brian. Big Air 808, top of the cops. You have a good, blessing holiday season coming up there. Brother Brian, 808, number 7, Honolulu. I'm gone. Bye-bye.
All right, number 7. Yeah, blessings are on your Ohana for 2025, man. Happy New Year. Number 7, 808, Shocko Wave.
Check, there. Take care around Colorado. 808, number 7, Honolulu. I see you. Bye-bye-bye. Hey, hello around the Rockies. 6-5 wing and break.
Hey, 6-5, Shocko Wave right back. Brother Am, have a good one. Hope all is well and swell. Happy New Year. 6-5, 808, aloha.
We're talking about I'm a brother. It's on the good Honolulu as always. Take care. 808, 6-5, Honolulu. Aloha.
Aloha. I heard you a couple days ago, man. You were smoking. I couldn't get you in my mobile, but I heard you, man, making noise. 6-5, always a pleasure. 808 on the side.
Hey, 808, put it on your later, man. Yellow brick road, roll it up in my radio. Take care. 808, yellow brick road. 6-5, right back. Break. Yeah, I guess old Blackbird just ain't got no condition on this peanut whistle here today. Hello.
You got conditions in the Rockies real quick, Blackbird. I don't want to plug Hawaiian Islands' ears. A Blackbird in the pile, 808 in the Rockies.
Can wave your hand at Yellow Brick Road 65 Honolulu. Yellow Brick Road 65. Happy New Year. Aloha. But 808. I heard somebody out there say Blackbird got condition, but somebody else come up in there with him. Somebody say Blackbird got condition up over this sand pile here. All right, Yellow Brick Road, take care. Hello, 308. Hello, 308, 65, come on.
All right, Blackbird, you showing up from Colorado Springs. A Blackbird in Florida, 808 in the Rockies.
Hey, 808, 95 in the Carolinas. Hello, around the Rockies, 808, 765, 808, 765 on the east side, West Virginia. Honolulu, aloha, bye-bye-bye.
All right, 765. I heard a 95, and Blackbird was there too. You guys have a great day. Happy New Year. 765, 808 gone.
Check, 808, 2025, I-5, 2025, 765, West Virginia. I'm out of the way.
A real good contact. I'll see you.
Hey, Dirty Rag. Hey, Daddy, Dirty Rag, you taking over the radio when you come in there. Not much, Conville. I'm just out here reading the mail. I just turned on the radio not so long ago, man, and reading the mail out here. Hello to your class act, 65, come on.
Hey, 6-5, no neighbor talking to California. All right, 6-5, no neighbor talking, 808 in the Rockies.
Yeah, 14 on that. It must be a Mother Nature thing, Conville. Class A, it must be a Mother Nature thing on my end there, no doubt about it. All right, Class A, I'm over to sit back by to the side and let read the mail there. Yeah, Class A, I appreciate the bump down and something waving in the hand. Take care, Class A, 65, bye-bye-bye.
You get a nice, clean baby wife. Nobody but heavy Chevy around South Jersey. Heavy Chevy.
Bye, Class A, aloha.
Checking here. Well, now, Class A, look at your friend in Virginia. Class A, Class A, that part of Virginia, 4 fingers and a thumb, bye-bye.
Chevy Johnson. Chevy Johnson.